Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture we have learned about the length method of hash, and today we will learn about the key method or the another method, that is hash key method of hash. This both the method is doing the same thing. If I want to check whether a specific key exists into my hash, I want to search for that key, particular key. In this case, I can use either of these two methods. I can use hash underscore key method or simple key method. This method always returns boolean value. This method also take one argument, and this argument is the key that we want to search. So here in a screen I have created one hash, and in my second line I am searching for a key that is 3. But this 3 key, actually the string 3, do not exist into my hash. It contains only two values, two key value pairs. So here it will return me false as my final output. Let's see practical examples of hash method, that are hash key or key. Let's create one variable, that is my hash, and I am assigning key value pair to my hash. 1 and my variable, that is 1, 2, that is my second key and its value 2. Our hash variable is ready. Now I am using hash method hash key on my variable. So my hash, that is my variable name, dot my method name, that is hash key with question mark, and this method takes one argument, and this argument value is the key that we want to search. Suppose here I want to search the key 2, and our output is true because my hash is having a value 2 in its key value pair. So our output of hash key method is true. The same functionality we can perform by using another method, that is key. So let's take an example of method key. My hash variable name, that is my hash, and I want to search one key, that is learn1. I want to check if learn1 is exist in my hash as a key. So my hash variable name, that is my hash, dot my method name, that is key, followed by question mark, and this method also takes one argument. This argument is the key that we want to search. For example, here I want to search learn1 in my keys of my hash. So learn1, this is my key that I want to search, and this will return false because this key learn1 do not exist in the key value pairs of my hash. So by using these two methods we can search keys into our hash. In next lecture we will learn about hash value method or the same method, that is value of hash.